I kind of saw that star last night.
What do you have to say?
Hi.
Look at the camera. Stand up so everybody can see how tall you are.
I can't let them. Hi, I'm Olivia.
Tell Lydia hi.
Hi, Lydia.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera, silly.
Hi, Lydia. Do you want to send me, Lydia? I'll tell you later.
Here's Mr. Alonzo. Alonzo, are you going to talk? Hello. Hey, baby. Alonzo. Alonzo. As you can see, they both are easily distracted. Alonzo, look at the camera. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, baby. Say hi, Aunt Steffi. Hi, Henry. Hi, Lydia. Come on. Say hi.
That leaves out the slugs and worms. I met me.
Alonzo, say hello.
I'm the only one with any willpower around.
Olivia?
I'm the mayor of Banana Mountain.
Okay. She didn't eat that whole cake. It's just the last piece of my birthday cake. So she's eating that.
And falling star after falling star, no one in the jungle had the strength to stop them.
Alrighty. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
George, you got us into this.
Say bye-bye. Alonzo. Alonzo. Bye-bye. Okay. Alrighty. See those little feet? Look at him. He's naked. Ooh. Smile one more time for us.
Hello, George of the Jungle. It is I, a man with antlers. You look tired.
Tickle, tickle.
I know all about tired. Remember when I fought the Gazelle twins? Who knew there were 3 of them? Oh, sure was a great comic.
Hey.
Happened to have a copy of the latest.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
The only way you could get one would be if you had a
Say bye-bye.
Bye.